Here, on a windswept field, blanketed in winter's quiet white, an unlikely drama unfolds. Before us are two Scottish terriers, creatures built not for grace, but for determination. The elder is a male, seasoned by years of stubborn resolve. At his side, his younger sister, smaller, quicker in spirit, if not in body, her enthusiasm only heightened by the cold. They are searching. With noses pressed low, they plunge forward, disappearing momentarily into grass, now weighed down by frost. Watch closely. The snow disguises the terrain, and the long grass hides treacherous dips. Undeterred, the Scotties launch themselves onward. They bounce more than they run, compact bodies springing up like corks from the surface of the field. First to falter, the younger sister, her paws meet resistance where she expects air. Momentum carries her forward, and in a heartbeat she pitches headlong into the snow, vanishing muzzle first, with a soft whumph. Moments later, the older brother follows suit. He attempts a leap of greater confidence. His legs tangle, and he too somersaults forward, face planting squarely into the frozen grass. Then, without ceremony, they rise, shake off the snow, and resume their search, snorting, snuffling, and bounding once more into the frozen field. In this winter landscape, elegance is optional. Persistence, however, is everything.
Oh.